Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. The contest is finally over and we officially have a winner. So today we're giving away a guitar kit. Let me start with a huge thank you to all of you who participated, and of course a massive thank you to Solo Music Gear for supplying the prize for this contest. So this time around we had just under 2,500 entries, so out of the 50,000 of you who are subscribed, at least a few of you wanted to win a guitar kit. And kind of a plot twist here, out of those entries, most of them of course were on YouTube, but our winner, based on the random number generation, ended up being an Instagram follower. I'm going to announce the name in just a moment here, and then we are going to go ahead and get one of these kits shipped out, and shortly thereafter I will be starting on mine. So it's going to be an exciting month or two coming up when I do this build. We're going to do some crazy stuff to mine, at least I think. Going to make it not just your standard guitar kit build, but we'll do a stock demo and everything. Just before we announce that, don't forget to go check out Solo Music Gear on Facebook and follow them. They've got some awesome stuff. They just released their luthier tools, and well, they sponsored this contest, so I owe them a big thank you, and I'd appreciate it if you guys would help support them. And if you want little previews of what I'm working on before they make their way into the videos, follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description for both of those things, and as always, thank you for that as well. All right, enough blabbing. The winner this time from Instagram is Dave6SS. Dave6SS, congratulations. Thank you for following me on Instagram, and of course for subscribing here on YouTube. Enjoy your guitar kit, and I really hope you'll show me what you do with it, either on Instagram, YouTube if you got it, wherever. Just, hey, I'm curious. All right, as always guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it, and I'm very excited to be at 51,000 now. So as always, have a good one. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.